What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So I just got back from the zoo, saw some incredible wildlife, giraffes, hippos, zebras, lions, but I really just wanted to set them free. So we're going to go over Cardano, guys. Beautiful little pump here. There's some juicy news, and we'll go over the analysis. We're sitting at 278. We're up 13% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 88.22 billion. 24-hour volume is 8.21 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto earning app, my favorite platform for investing, and receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So highly anticipated Cardano upgrade receives major boost from Binance. Cryptocurrency exchange Binance announces it will support the launch of Cardano's upcoming smart contract mainnet. So this may be why we're seeing the pump today. So Binance says that when Cardano upgrades to its Alonzo hard fork, it will suspend withdrawals of ADA for half an hour until it deems the network to be stable. So this is happening tomorrow, guys, at 21:44. Deposits and withdrawals of ADA will be suspended starting from 21:14 tomorrow, guys. So do keep that in mind. Also keep in mind of something called buy the rumor, sell the news. You're either going to see a hard pump, in my opinion, tomorrow, or you're going to see a swift sell-off. All right, guys. So we can see here we've already had quite a significant pump. We broke the neckline of this triple bottom right here, second bottom, third bottom, and we broke out of the neckline. So if you entered the trade here from our breakout, you're already up basically 5% at the current price. Could be much more if you're trading with leverage. Sign up to Bybit. They also have spot trading available. Receive up to $600 in bonuses just for signing up through my referral. It's my favorite platform for leverage trading. If you use limit order with posts only, they pay you. They do not charge you a single dime. They actually pay you to use limit order. Just make sure you tick off posts only. All right, guys. So you can see we're back above 272, previous level of support here, previous level of support in this area as well. So if we can hold this level of support, that's when we can head up to the price target at $3.02. Let me just get this silly little line out of here. We are starting to get overbought on the hourly, guys, so do keep that in mind. We're sitting at about 78 on the RSI. If we hop over to the 4-hour time frame, you can see we're back above the EMAs. Beautiful breakout, nice increase in volume here, and we beautifully bounced off the 55 EMA on the daily. As you can see here, Cardano is such a beast, comes down to the 55, sees a nice bounce. So if we can stay above the 20 EMA on the daily, incredible sign of strength for ADA. But of course, all eyes on Bitcoin, guys. We have it inverse head and shoulders, but currently we're failing to break the neckline. So unless we get back above the neckline, what can happen is what happened right here. We get rejected by the 55. We see that continuation to the downside, and it pulls Cardano down with it. We need to get back above this neckline, back test it as support, break above the 55 EMA here on the hourly, and that will give you a stronger signal that you'll head up to 47,347, and then that's when you'll see Cardano start to head up to these price targets, $2.94 and $3.02. If we do roll over, guys, do expect a back test of the neckline at 261, and then we have this level of support here at 255. You can see support in this area. If we scroll back, support here, previous swing high at 255. So beautiful to see this breakout, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying it, but all eyes on Bitcoin. You have to break out of this pattern. If we get rejected, we roll over. It will take Cardano down to those levels of support. But if we break out, that's when you'll see Cardano head up to 294 and $3.02. That's basically it for this one, guys. Sign up to Bybit. Quick little update. Make sure to smash that like button. Check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.